Okay. Hello again. It is me. Can I close your other apps, man?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. I'm still kind of annoyed by the fact that I have to measure this in foot candles. But whatever.
You'll just convert it to whatever it's supposed to be later.
Okay. Here we go. First measurement. Actually, wait. I need to measure the background light pollution. Okay. Now that I've done that, let us begin. What was that?
That's how you get the dog to stop. I like how ink only comes out of 1/2 of the side of this pen.
There's a shadow being cast on it from our holding device, Malin.
How is there a shadow?
What do you mean, how's
From
there
the
a shadow?
holding device. What? Oh, onto the, onto that? Yeah. Well, you can get a piece of tape and fix it, I guess. No. Just get some clear tape and put it on the outside of the thing.
This one?
Well, there's still gonna be a shadow.
There's a less of a shadow.
That is true. But
There we go. Now this just has to not fall off. We'll be fine. Okay. Really? You mean to tell me there's 0 amps thing? Oh.
That just means there's 0.01 amps, man. It's 0 plus or minus 0.01. What?
It's true.
Just turn it up to where you start getting.
Okay, there we
readings
go.
from
There
that
we
thing.
go. Wait, don't I have to measure internal resistance
No?
of this?
Why?
Why wouldn't I?
Why would you? What good would that do you?
I don't know.
Then why would you measure it?
Oh boy.
The display on there would account for that anyway. So it wouldn't affect your readings.
I see exponential.
Then it sees exponential from 2 readings.
Yes, I do. From 4 readings. Danny sees exponential. You said curse word. Uh-oh, Gigi created group chat.
What's the matter with that?
Prepare for. Can I get help with the? Or no. She sent me something the other day.
It's
She's
not
like,
gonna happen in group chat. Is this thing recording still? Why are
Yes.
you recording?
what?
Why are you still recording?
Because she has to verify them doing my experiment.
And she has to verify the entirety of the experiment?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
What? You got an issue?
I don't know if your phone can handle the entirety of the experiment.
Phone can handle entirety of experiment. I don't want Mrs. Lucky to be like,
Miss Lucky's gonna watch this.
no, Mrs. Lucky, that's. I wasn't trying to make fun of you. I was just like, I don't want you to be annoyed by not the entire experiment being here. I think you are a nice person, Mrs. Lecky, and I enjoy having you as my physics teacher. Ooh. We may hit cap of. Actually, no, we won't. This can go up to 20,000. Never mind. Never mind. No, I'm glad that this is gonna work out. Unlike my chemistry IA.
What did you do for your chemistry?
I did a Winkler method, but I think I messed up on setting my stuff, so I got the opposite trend of what I'm supposed to.
Did the chemistry without the chemistry?
I did the chemistry right. It's just that there was a hole in the rubber stopper that I would, and I put air bubble in it. Thing. I was like, ooh. After I realized I did it, I was like, uh-oh. Rest in peace. Chemistry. Here we go. No, I think it's probably a good thing that we left it on the heatsink.
Yeah.
Especially if I'm going to be doing that.
Well, you're going to be doing this for a while, so.
Yeah.
Have you tried to touch it?
I'm not touching that thing.
Have you put your hand near it?
I feel warmth.
Yeah. Back when we did our physics, I
Scalded yourself.
One person kept shattering all the big beakers.
How? What were they doing?
Oh, they were boiling water in them.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I see. Did they keep putting them, like, did they move them from, like, the burner onto the table?
I think they did one time and they realized that they shouldn't do it.
They realized, oh, heat stress is a thing?
Yeah, well, then they continued to break all the beakers, so the beakers were probably
Clearly,
already kind of destroyed.
They did not learn their lesson.
No, the beakers were probably jank.
I mean, to be honest, they are jank.
Yeah. Probably were already heat stressed.
Correct. What they probably did is they probably left the Bunsen burner at like the same temperature and just put the heat.
Oh, they didn't.
The beaker.
They did not use Bunsen burner.
I meant the hot plate. They probably just took a cold thing and put it on the hot plate and
That's definitely not what happened.
Are you sure?
Trust me, I was there and I told them how to not do that. But it still happened. So.
I love Polk County equipment for experiments. Mr. Lucky's probably going to see this video and going to be like, what in the heck is that setup?
It's a good setup. What do you mean? Why would you be like, what in the heck is that setup?
I don't know.
It's less jank than my setup. Take that much.
What was your setup? Wait, was yours the thing where you took like...
We submerged.
Oh, yours was the oven one.
We submerged like a conical beaker in a larger beaker that we boiled water in?
In the oven?
No.
Oh, I thought you were doing
No.
the...
We used a hot plate.
Oh, okay.
We were trying to control the temperature inside the smaller beaker.
Yeah. I mean, that's okay. It's kind of how you do it.
Well, except that was really jank because there's no way to hold the smaller beaker down there. So we had to use the physics weights to do it. So it was basically in a not so stable equilibrium.
Okay.
We had to get it just in the right buoyancy area that it wouldn't cause problems.
Why? Should I try and create an equation to model? Actually, wait. Excel will do that for me.
Easy. Yeah. Actually, Excel will not do that for you.
Now give me. Oh, that's right. Yeah.
It'll give you a line that is straight.
That is true.
Your calculator will do it for you if you press all the buttons. Excel can do it for you. It's harder.
It's gonna be jank
pain in the
because
butt.
Excel's jank. Light meter?
What? Is light meter maxed out? Or do you have it on big mode?
I have it on big mode. Is that just its way of...
Is light meter asleep? What happened to light meter?
Light meter read 1 for a second. I was like, light meter? Hello?
What's the maximum on the light meter?
Apparently 20,000 foot candles. Or actually 2,000 foot candles. So we're going to have to stop my experiments.
What are we
We're going to
at?
hit max. We're at...
We're at 1900.
Yeah, 1900.
F.
I mean, it's fine. I have like 20 trials.
At least we're using the whole range of the meter.
Yeah.
No, just do the
Oh,
same
its
thing
max
again.
is like 1935.
Oh, is it really?
Oh. Oh.
One must just be overflow error.
Well, one of them, like, it was back on light stuff, so.
Just run the same thing again, so you get 2 data points for each power level.
What do you mean run that same thing again?
Just do the experiment. Twice as many trials.
Do I have to?
Yeah.
Why?
How many trials do you get?
I have 20.
It's not enough.
What do you mean it's not enough?
Okay.
I did 25 trials for my chemistry class. Hey?
Why don't you do 40?
Hello, Sadie. It's not like I'm going to be able to hit the exact same points that I did.
You don't have a second one?
It's broken. I have a broken one.
I want text, not numbers. What's up with your keyboard stuff? It's jank.
How's my keyboard jank?
How do I get to text?
What did you do?
What do you mean, what did I do?
That's because you opened it in the spreadsheet, so it automatically did numbers.
What if my phone didn't pick up on any of the things I've said?
That would be funny.
Be a sad day.
Yeah, it's because this is a spreadsheet.
Okay, well, I just want to do the one trial. The one experiment. Why do I have to do two?
Because you have one trial.
I don't have one trial.
You do.
No, I don't. I have.
That's one trial.
Yeah, sure, that's
Sure,
one trial,
sure.
man. Uh-huh.
It is one trial.
Uh-huh. Well, then what am I changing in between the trials?
Nothing.
Well, then there's no point in doing other trials.
Yeah, there is.
What's the point?
Get more data. More accurate results.
But then I have to reorder everything.
No.
Yes.
It's in order. You just put it in the
Well, I can't get 22.7 volts again.
That's what you think.
Okay, maybe I can't, but
Hey man, might as well.
it's just taking more time.
It's not like this took a whole bunch of time already.
On my phone did.
Take 30 seconds.
Took up phone space.
Well, she doesn't need to see the second trial.
She does.
Like he's already got the first trial, it's gonna be the same thing.
I became the Winkler titration master.
Except for the fact that you didn't do it right.
That I didn't set the samples right, but I was able to do the actual titration itself right. I became the master at that.
Yeah.
Mr. Wacky was like, "This was my first job." I'm like, ah.
Sounds like a fun job. Do that all day.
Yeehaw. Whatever, I'm just going to 24. Not the 23.9.
Why'd you put it at weird numbers?
I'm just taking measurements.
Why'd you put it at weird numbers the first time?
Because I just did. Aren't I just going to increase the air if I do another trial?
Huh? Yeah.
Well, then why would I do another trial?
It's because it's more accurate.
But I'm increasing air, so it's going to look jank on my graph.
So yeah. You don't. That's because you're using jank error methods instead of good ones. That's fine. If you do this 5 times, you can get good error.
You mean massive air?
No. Massive absolute error, sure. If you do 5 or 10 of these, then you do like second standard deviation error.
I don't know how to do that.
If you do 10 of these trials, and you have 10 things, then you have distribution.
Mm-hmm.
And you remember from statistics, you can make a confidence interval.
Right.
So you just make a confidence interval. And that's second standard deviation error. So you'd have to do at least like 10 for it to be useful. There's no point in doing that, says he?
There's no point in doing this.
Never mind.
Second trial.
Yeah, there is. Should more accurate data. More accurate results, that is.
More accurate conclusion.
Yeah. You're putting it on the same powers, right? So
I am trying to. I'm getting very close. In terms of error margins, it's going to be the same, pretty much.
okay. It's gonna be plus or minus 1.5 instead of plus or minus 1, probably. If you're 0.1 off every time. You're gonna have to mention your eye protection and the
And
safety.
yeah. Well, I mean, I'm still not looking directly at it.
I don't think that matters. I don't think it's that bright. You've got sunglasses. So.
There's a YouTuber, Mark Clark. He went in search of Amazon's most powerful.
Yeah, I saw that.
You saw it?
Yeah.
Did you watch it?
Yes. That's so funny.
He turns it on, and
I know.
the fan just